Alright guys, so today we're gonna do something more interested part of the indefinite integrals. So the 4 questions for a basic, probably more, little bit more for the introductory part of the Calc BC. So let's see the 4 questions. The first one, indefinite integral of x squared times e raised to the power of negative x cubed dx. So for this one, we are going to use the substitution method. So we set u equals to negative x cubed. So du equals to negative 3x squared dx. Then we move negative 3 to the du side. What we got is negative du over 3 equals to, negative 1/3 du equals to x squared dx. And obviously, here's x squared and dx, so we can substitute them to du. So the indefinite integral becomes indefinite integral of e raised to the power of negative x cubed. Here we substitute as u and du. Don't forget there's a coefficient of negative 1/3, so we got times it, negative 1/3 du. So we got is negative 1/3 raised to the power of eu, and we substitute back. What we got is negative 1/3 e raised to the power of negative x cubed plus c. Let's see question 8. So indefinite integral of 4 minus e raised to the power of 2x divided by 2x dx. So we can separate them. What we got is indefinite integral of 4 times e raised to the power of negative 2x, because e raised to the power of 2x is in the denominator. Then we minus 1 parentheses dx. So we separate again. So 4 times e raised to the power of negative 2x minus the indefinite integral of 1 dx. So the indefinite integral of negative 2x, we actually could we don't have to do something with it. So it actually becomes negative a half, because the derivative of negative a half of e raised to the power of negative a half, negative 2x becomes to, this derivative becomes to e to negative 2x, so it becomes to negative 2 e raised to the power of negative 2x minus x plus c. We make for question 9, we make u equals to cosine pi x. So du becomes negative sine pi x times pi, and negative sine pi. So dx, negative pi sine pi x dx. So here we got sine pi x dx. So du, so negative 1 over pi times du equals to sine pi x dx. So here we can substitute. So for this part, we can substitute du times negative 1 over pi. So it becomes to e raised to the power of u times negative 1 pi du. We can put negative 1 over pi in front of the integral, so we got is negative 1 over pi times integral of eu du, and it becomes negative 1 over pi times e raised to the power of cosine pi x plus c. The last one, we make u equals to negative x squared. So du equals negative 2x dx, and x dx equals to negative a half du. So this part we can substitute to negative a half du. So it becomes to indefinite integral of 3 raised to the power of u times negative a half du. We put negative a half in front of the integral, so negative a half 3u du. So it's an exponential function, so the derivative should be negative a half of so it's ln, hold on, so it becomes to negative half times ln natural log of negative x squared over natural log of 3 plus c. So that's a content for this video, and we probably are going to do more about something like substitution for the definite integral in the next video. So hope you guys learned something from this. See you later.